how I can edit common properties of several elements on the form. Let's start it. Take a quick look on this form. Such elements as total, general ledger details and progress are not look good. Why? Because the width of these panels was set in pixels, 200, 300 and 500 accordingly. But as developer, I decided that these panels must have the equal size, and this size should not depend from pixels. How I can accomplish this operation? At first I select 3 columns on this form, and now I select the properties grid length and set value 33%. And as a result, each panel has the same size and form looks much better. The same approach could be used to change any common properties for several or a lot of elements. For example, now I want to change the align of labels in the panel total from left to right. At first I have to select these elements. It could be done in 2 ways. The first, I could select element by element on the components tree, and the second, which I am going to use, is to select these elements on the form directly. Select first, press Ctrl and then select all labels. And now I want to change a line. I press layout, found horizontal alignment and set this value to right. You see that all selected elements have the value of horizontal alignment right. That's all for this video.